Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail 25mm dual action cord-free polishers, which I bought actually without the battery and the charger because it's a little bit more complicated to get hold of here in Hungary. However, as it is compatible with the Makita batteries and chargers, obviously I got some of those ones, some brand new Makita batteries and the charger to those. Other than that, it has the 5 and 6 inches backing plate in the box, so we will try with both. In general, I'm not keen on the 6 inches. For me, usually it is a bit more cumbersome to work with, but we will see. Most probably it's a user error, but whatever. We will see which one I'm going to prefer after this experience. Anywho, let's roll.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up. Jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. 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 We are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another closet we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the DIY Detail dual action polisher with 25 millimeter stroke. All in all, I'm happy with the machine. However, there are a few things that I have to mention. It is known fact from at least from the DIY Detail Facebook group, that the first series of polishers have some issues, and mostly this one is one of those, because at this point it moves a little. So I will need to check with the local reseller if it's something that I can fix myself, or if I have to return it and then they will fix it for me. Just to torque some screws. And the other thing that I realized is, or experienced rather, as this part is where you put the battery and the machine is new and the batteries are new, it's sometimes very cumbersome to remove the batteries or to swap over. Obviously it will wear off and then it will be much easier, but right now it's it's rather difficult. So other than these teething problems, all in all, I would say I would hands on heart recommend. They are getting there. Obviously it's their first machine like this, so there are some teething issues, and obviously they will put it right, so I'm not afraid of that one. But what I also wanted to mention, that I could clearly feel that it was designed for the 6 inches backing plate, because with the 5 inches, I'm not saying it was struggling, but I could feel it that it was not happy. But with the 6 inches, it was working beautifully. So all in all, I can hands on heart recommend. Of course, there are these few issues, or this one particular issue that needs to be worked on. But other than that, it will be a great machine. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.